Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to send an invitation on Outlook app on an Android device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First thing first, open your Outlook app. And then here you can create a new email by tapping this option. Okay, then add a recipient address. After that, here you can select this option. Okay, and then select Convert to Event option. And then create a title here. After that, set a date and time here. Okay, and then set the time zone. And then set the location. Okay, then adjust the event description. After finishing all of requirement, you can save it by tapping this option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to send an invitation on Outlook app on an Android device. Don't forget to subscribe for more information from this channel. Thank you.